You know how to cook caldereta? You want caldereta? You want goat's meat? What?
I don't eat goat.
You join us, Eric.
This is a rapist. That's why if you have a gun, I'll land it and I'll kill this one. Watam na ganyan butay. Uy, watan na ganyan. Pare, hindi makasaw. Kalding.
We're cleaning this intestine. Murot ang mura nilang tatlo. Sinura kayo lang na. Gila. Apa ini apa dah? Isa kasi. Pwede mo agad na yay.
Nagyay. Kalding lalaki. Kaya babae na kalding. Hindi. Kumata kami makalding na babae.
Sagmo.
Dadiwan na babae na ginagawa.
Hindi, mas madali yan po. Mas madali magdikdik. Nakalasa mo muna ka tapos dito. Pero kung... Awam mo mga kabalak. Ayusin mo ang kabalak na eh.
Sabay kayo.
Ikaw yung yero anak kami mo. Ito.
Snap. You better toast. Toast it very well. Oh. Because we have a visitors here. Padilla is coming. Yeah.
I'm telling Tony if they plan to come back here in the Philippines the other time.
Next year daw,
Bring
pupunta raw dito.
Barbara with you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bakit?
that's your girl. You don't have like this in the Philippines, in this, no?
Oh yeah, we do, and sometimes we have.
But I mean, all the your surrounding is very
Oh.
clean, not like this, no?
Oh no, this,
Native na native, no?
this is native.
Yeah.
Yeah. You look up here. Just a second.